In this video, I'll show you how to add LUT 3D, but not using the LUT 3D effect. We're going to use the color grade. And I'm going to select all the clips, go to my effects tab and press on color grade. And on color grade here, I'm going to select just one of them. And I have my first vector. And in this first vector, I'm going to navigate in the parameters and go to grade inside. And over here in LUT 3D, I have the LUT file, and over here is where I can choose the LUT that I want to work with. So I choose that LUT and it's applied. Now I'm going to propagate that to all the color grade nodes that I have in my timeline. So to do that, I'm going to use the propagate feature, which it's in the propagate tab in the parameters panel. And in this case, as we only have color grade nodes right now, and all of them are going to do exactly the same, I'm going to choose the propagate all objects option. This is going to propagate this value. You can see propagate will overwrite the selected parameters of all clips of the same type in the timeline. And this is going to overwrite in this case as its new effects just applied. It won't matter, but in other moments, please take care. Then I'll press OK. And as soon as I go to the timeline, we could see that all our color grade nodes now have that star on top that indicates that the effect is not in the default values, that we've modified it. And the advantage of using the LUT 3D in a color grade node is, well, several. First, you have it integrated in your color grade node, and that could be an advantage depending on how you work. The other option as well is that you can key how that LUT works. So depending if you only want it to affect the highlights, you could see it there, or basically you want to reduce how it affects the highlights, you just bring down the highlights down. Or if you go to options in layer blend, you can actually decide if you want to make it stronger. Let's show a scope there so we could see it. And there, if I put this in 200, I'm basically multiplying by 2 what the LUT is doing. If I put 50, I'm basically halving the effect of the LUT 3D. So in the layer blend, you have the option to creatively define how strong you want your LUT 3D to be applied on your grade. So obviously it gives you a little bit more tools that obviously are integrated in the color grade, and basically use it as a creative tool.